Hey everyone, welcome back to another resale prediction video. Today we are tackling the Nike Air Fear of God 1 in the highly anticipated triple black colorway. To begin, this sneaker is set to release on Saturday, April 25th for a retail price of $350. Although that is a very high price tag, it is the usual Nike Air Fear of God 1 retail price. Drenched in a full black colorway, this shoe is very reminiscent of the Yeezy 750 triple black in my opinion, so expect people to be all over this drop once time comes around. Personally, I love this colorway and I'm definitely going to try to cop a pair if I can. In terms of where to buy the sneaker, your best bet will be the Nike Sneakers app, as they usually receive the most pairs. Usually with more limited pairs such as this, Nike opens up a 10-minute draw, so I wouldn't be surprised if we see that with these as well. The Fear of God website is certainly going to get these as well, but buying on their website is pretty difficult at times, from my past experiences, so I wouldn't really rely on that. Outside of the major two places I just mentioned, you can also try your luck through online raffles at tier 0 retailers. For myself, I always go with Kith and Sneakers and Stuff and any local areas that may receive them. However, given that most stores have closed their doors, raffles are likely to be done exclusively online. I also expect certain stores to do the first come first serve, so you can anticipate that happening. And what I mean by that is that they'll drop the sneaker early in the morning on their website and the first come first serve basis instead of a raffle. Although we don't have an official store list just yet, I suggest checking up on sneakernews.com pretty often in the next few days, as the release is now only a week away. This will help you locate more stores to enter raffles and try your luck on the 25th. Obviously, the more stores you enter, the better chances you'll have of copping a pair. Lastly, getting into the resale predictions of this shoe. First and foremost, these will not be very profitable. Given the high $350 retail and the economic circumstances that we are currently in, I don't expect there to be much money to be made after taxes and selling fees apply. With that said, I think these shoes will sell between $450 and $550. Smaller sizes such as 6 will go for the lower end, while sizes 8 through 11 will likely reach the $550 range. Also, there will be a couple outlier sizes hitting the $600 mark. Taking a look at some sales already being done on StockX, you can see they aren't going for much. You can expect those prices to drop even more once the shoe actually releases to the public, as the pairs being sold right now are just early pairs. However, the good news is, just like the rest of the Fear of God ones, these will likely eventually go up in price once people start wearing their pairs, unless that stock pairs are left on the market. Alright everyone, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found that helpful. Best of luck in copying the pair, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.